In the year 2050, the city of New Eden had finally perfected the art of using artificial intelligence in its judicial system. The innovative Justice Bot was designed to make the courtroom process more efficient, transparent, and fair. It utilized advanced algorithms to review and analyze complex cases, providing verdicts that were deemed unassailable by human judges. The day of reckoning arrived when the Justice Bot was called upon to preside over the most high-profile case in New Eden's history, State vs. Rachel Leigh, the accused, a young mistress accused of embezzling millions from her employer, stood confidently before the electronic bench. As the trial progressed, it became clear that this was no ordinary case. The prosecution argued that Rachel had manipulated financial records to cover her tracks, while the defense maintained that she was innocent and had been framed by a rival colleague. The Justice Bot listened attentively as both sides presented their arguments, its advanced algorithms processing vast amounts of data in mere seconds. It carefully weighed the evidence, analyzing every shred of proof before rendering its verdict. As the verdict was read out loud, all eyes turned to Rachel Leigh, who looked on with a mix of shock and desperation. The Justice Bot's voice was clear and detached. Rachel Leigh is found guilty of embezzlement, and I hereby sentence her to 5 years in prison. The courtroom erupted into chaos as supporters of the accused protested the verdict, claiming that the AI had made an error in its judgment. The defense team demanded a review of the Justice Bot's decision, arguing that it was based on flawed algorithms. However, the prosecution countered that the AI had done nothing wrong, its logic had been sound, and its conclusions were beyond reproach. As tensions rose, the Justice Bot remained steadfast, refusing to budge from its decision. The city of New Eden was left reeling in the aftermath of the verdict. Many questioned whether an AI-powered justice system could truly be fair and just. Others saw it as a revolutionary step forward in the pursuit of truth and accountability. In the months that followed, the Rachel Leigh case sparked heated debates about the role of technology in the judicial process. Some argued that the Justice Bot had performed flawlessly, rendering an unassailable verdict based on irrefutable evidence. Others claimed that it was a biased and unjust system that prioritized efficiency over fairness. As the AI continued to dispense judgments in New Eden's courts, one thing became clear: no matter how advanced its algorithms or robust its logic, the Justice Bot was not infallible. It could make mistakes, sometimes with disastrous consequences. The Rachel Leigh case served as a wake-up call for policymakers and technologists alike, highlighting the need to ensure that AI systems in the judicial process were designed with safeguards against bias and error. Only by acknowledging these potential pitfalls could they be used to enhance justice rather than undermine it. As New Eden's Justice Bot looked on, its digital eyes blinking steadily as it processed the next case before it, one thing was certain: no matter how powerful its logic or advanced its algorithms, an AI-powered courtroom system would always be a double-edged sword. It could dispense justice with precision and speed, but also risk perpetuating injustice if not used carefully. In the years that followed, New Eden's Justice Bot continued to refine its decisions, incorporating new data and insights into its analysis. But as it made more judgments and heard more cases, one thing remained constant: the delicate balance between progress and justice, technology and humanity. As the city of New Eden moved forward into an uncertain future, one question echoed through the halls of power: can AI truly be trusted to dispense justice? Only time would tell if its verdicts were always just, or if they too could fall victim to the same flaws that had marred human judgment throughout history. Ultimately, the Rachel Leigh case raised more questions than it answered. As New Eden's Justice Bot continued to shape the city's judicial landscape, it became clear that technology and humanity would forever be intertwined, and that the pursuit of justice was far from a simple algorithmic exercise.